Hi, hello, good morning, namaskar, good afternoon, whatever you feel great. This is Mr. Yogesh and welcome to my YC Learning Bench YouTube channel. Today, dear all, I am going to discuss here internship program. What is an internship program? How to do the internship program? Where to apply? How to apply? So this video for graduate, postgraduate, polytechnic, engineering and law aspirants. Dear all, I want to share here some top companies that are offering internship. What is an internship? Internship is a little or a short period offered by organization. During that you will gain practical knowledge, assignment, some project. You will have some time spending of the senior faculty. From that you learn a lot. So don't waste your time for the spending vacation, going here and there. It is said that well begin is a half done. So let's get started. The first one, midterm and winter internship opportunity with Law Commission of India. This is for the law students, those students having completion of their graduation and second and third year course. Law Commission of India provides the opportunity to law students for commission, legal research, legal reform project by holding a summer May to June, now winter November to December, that is called mid-term mentorship program. Next one, duration is only 4 weeks. Winter programs will start November to December. How to apply? There is a official website of Law Commission of India .nic.in. You are seeing there is a picture, there is a bold black mark. In that mark you can click, it was written internship program. Next one, Google internship 2020 and 2021. What is the qualification? BTech, MTech, MBA, BA, BCom students are eligible for this internship. Fresher and students can apply for this. The location of this work across India. Official website www.google.com. Next one, Tech Mahindra. Qualification BTech, MTech, MBA, BA, BCom. Fresher and all the students can apply for this. The working place across the India. Official website www.techmahindra.com. Next one, Tata Steel, one of the largest organization in the India. Who are the eligible for this? Business school and engineering institution. Duration only 8 to 12 weeks. How to apply? Interested student can apply directly online internship. Qualification BTech, BE student must complete the 6th SEM. MBA student must complete the second year, and CA student also eligible for the industrial trainee post. Official website www.tatasteel.com. Next one, Reliance Industry. Everyone know that. Here, graduate engineering trainee program. Every year they are offering. What is the duration of this? Only 2 months. But here, full time you want to spend there. During this full time, you will get a powerful information, powerful induction information, projects, some assignments, some visits, and one of the great experience, that is you can spend time with your senior leader. How to apply? There is a link given. You can directly visit to the Reliance Industry page. Next one, AICT invite part-time paid interns. That is AICT and MSBT. Everyone, those who are learning polytechnic and engineering students is well known about this. You can visit to the home page and registration yourself. In that registration there is actually a form. In that form you can fill all the details like institution name, student's ID, email, ID, mobile number, and all this information. Fill up, submit. You will get email from the AICTS for the entrance. Next one, World Health Organization internship program, that is WHO. All of you know that. Here, those who complete the 20 years old and enroll in the course of universities, language must be fluent at least one language. Nationality, you hold a valid passport of WHO member of state. Member of state, you can get this information through the Google WHO member state. Official website www.who is that given, you can click, you will get all details. Next one, Niti Aayog internship scheme. Who are eligible? Graduate students, postgraduate students, degree students, everywhere. All are those who are taking education, they can apply in Niti Aayog internship. Internship period shall be at least 6 weeks, not more than that. Stipend, there is no stipend, but you will get a very valuable and government information from this Niti Aayog internship program. Next one, UNESCO, that is, who are eligible for this? Those who complete their university studies, means at least graduation, duration from 1 to 6 months. Stipend, there is no stipend from the UNESCO. Another one very well known, that is Amazon internship program. Here, dear student, they were selected those who are ready to get the rub shoulders with outstanding software engineer and researcher with industry leading technical ability. It means it's very challenging program that affects the millions of Amazon. Eligibility, programming experience with at least one modern language. There are different language, Java plus, okay, and all this. Here, passionate problem solvers will allow for the internship. Duration minimum 45 days to max 3 months. Next, Intel, that is a Bangalore, is looking at the candidate for the internship, an American multinational corporation and technology company. Who are eligible? The candidate should be in BE or Master Electronic or Computer Science and well versed, well prepared, well communicative with standard software design. Next one, internship opportunity with Honeywell. This is the American based company, and this is a public traded multinational company, primarily operate in the 4 technology business. One is the airpress, building, technology, material and safety. So you can directly visit to this official website, you will get all details. So dear all, this all information about the top 10 companies that offer the internship. If you like my video, definitely subscribe, like, comment for more and more update. Thank you so much.